This is my, from very beginning to end with my extensions, blow dry. It's not a long one, but you want to pay attention. What I like to do is I always section it first because it makes my life so much easier. Now, I do have extensions in my hair. I have 2 rows. My tools here is I'm gonna be using 2 different size brushes, and they do 2 different things. This is a gentle brush, so it makes getting through the extensions easier. This one is a little bit tougher to make it really bevel underneath. You'll also notice I have 2 different size clips, smaller, larger for extensions. Always section from the top down. It makes it so much easier and faster for my blow dries. I'll take from about ear back, go on my halo. This is gonna get a smaller clip. Take the front piece, section this, sectioning off our back. So I have a little tape right here. I have a row right here. I'm gonna run my fingers along my bottom row all the way back. This finger, I'm gonna run it along my bottom row. I'm gonna take this section, twist it up. One of my bigger clips, clip right on the top of my head. When my hair was soaking wet, I put in the Dream Blow Out, and this will actually help to reduce the drying time by 50%, which is a big deal. So my extensions are about like 80% dry right now is what I'd say. I might even want to add just a little bit of water to the ends to get them to really bevel. I've actually made a video about this blow dryer. This is the Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium blow dryer. It blow dries your hair so much faster, and it's super lightweight, and it's Ionic. I'm gonna be taking my more top brush, and I'm gonna be working around my hair first, and then I'll be taking my gentle brush and then doing the ends. Then with my gentle brush, this is where I'll be grabbing my hair. It's so much easier to get through. The trick with blow drying your hair is you want to make sure all of this gets really dry, and then you could start beveling the end. If you ever want to know if your weft is dry, just put on the cold shot and you'll feel the dampness, and then that's how you know you need to blow dry even more. Now that my hair is almost dry, I'm going to take the more top brush and really bevel the ends more. Once you start to see the shine in the extensions, you know it's dry. Then next, I'm going to take my big claw clip and then let down this hair and start working on that. Also notice my arms. I'm keeping them upright. I'm not trying to do it from down here, because that's when the hair flies everywhere and then it looks frizzy. That's also why it's important to have a light blow dryer and light brushes, because if you do have extensions, it's gonna be a little harder. It's gonna take a little bit longer. You're gonna have to build up your stamina. Do you notice my hair is completely dry? You do not want that. You want to re-wet your hair, because otherwise it's gonna look frizzy. Get it a little bit damp and then section. This is the Ergo Ionic and Ceramic ER33. What will happen if the hair is not wet enough? It will not bevel underneath the brush. It'll just go straight. And I also want you to notice something. Do you see how this is getting frizzy as I blow dry it? Yeah, I could really heat it up and like fry it out, but it's because it wasn't wet enough. That's why I'm getting that frizz. Re-wet it. And then go back in and blow dry it. See that? So much better. Last section. And just kind of spraying that water and brushing it through will make for your blow dry just that much easier. Go through with your brush, and now just marinate the hair all together. Another little tip that you want to do is make sure the Ionic is on for all these little flyaways. Hold the hairs hot and let those baby hairs slide through. And it helps helps them to lay flat. Now, if you say, Olivia, my hair is not beveling in like yours, here's a little hack that you can do. I'm using Heat Hero. It is a thermal protection, dry up to 450 degrees, and a split end mender with a hold of 3. So it also helps with frizz. I'm spraying this in my hair. And yes, I did use heat protection, but all of that heat protection is gone from my blow dry. Now I need extra heat protection if I'm gonna be putting on a flat iron. I have my flat iron, 380. I'm gonna actually bevel this in, like a small piece. And I like this Prima because you see how it has the beveled ends, and it also allows for really nice contact with the floating plates inside of the iron. So I'm taking this iron and I'm just simply beveling in. If you're like, Olivia, I don't know how to do a bevel, I don't even know what that is. Well, you could actually lead with your brush. So you take your brush, put it underneath, bevel it, or you could even go like this with your brush and let it cool for a second too. And look at that, makes it look like a blow dry. One more time, take this piece right here with your brush, bevel it just a bit, lay it on that brush, retwist, and reveal a beautiful blow dry.